dissemination of weather forecast and warning services based on the latest tools and technologies. To further enhance this initiative, Ministry of Earth Sciences feels proud to launch the mobile app Mausam for India Meteorological Department. This mobile app is dedicated to the general public and designed to communicate the weather information and forecasts in a lucid manner.
MOS Foundation Day, we will be launching the MOS Knowledge Resource Center Network in the presence of the Honorable Union Minister for Health and Family Welfare, Science and Technology and Earth Sciences, Dr. Harsha Vardhan.
Friends, the earth science is a combination science that draws upon all other sciences to unlock Earth's mysteries. It is unique and yet interdependent. Earth science empowers us to think globally and act locally, to make sound decisions about issues important in our lives as individuals and also as citizens. People who understand how earth systems work can make informed decisions. They can debate and resolve issues surrounding clean water, urban planning and development, national security, global climate change, and the use and management of natural resources. This ministry, the Ministry of Earth Sciences, is a unique organization in the world which looks holistically at all branches of earth science: atmosphere, hydrosphere, cryosphere, and lithosphere. India is the only country with a fully dedicated ministry solely addressing all the aspects of earth sciences. This helps in developing an integrated approach in planning and resolving major concerns in a holistic manner with least time delay. The ministry has attained many significant achievements in the recent past, which are considered to be of global standard for other countries to follow. On weather and climate sciences, India has one of the best weather services in the world for disaster management, with accurate warnings on tropical cyclones, heat waves, and floods. The IMD provides tropical cyclones and storm surge advisories to 13 member countries under the ESCAP panel. We are also proposing the use of artificial intelligence, machine learning, and Internet of Things for data collection, analysis, and developing forecast applications, as well as more automation of observations and data analysis. I know that we are also planning better computing resources, HPC 40 petaflop by next year, for generating global forecasts at 5 kilometers and regional forecasts at 1 kilometer. ECM FW, for example, has gone for 1 kilometer global forecast, even though on research mode. On ocean sciences and technology, INCOIS provides one of the best services in ocean state forecasts and tsunami warnings to 25 countries for the Indian Ocean with no false alarms till date. NIOT has pioneered the development of indigenous desalination plants for islands using green technology. This system can be transferred to other island countries like the Maldives.